Hello everyone, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess, and today I want to talk about the IP PIN, which is a specific PIN number that is assigned to you by the IRS. It's supposed to help you secure your tax returns. Now, the IRS and the Security Summit partners have been pushing this program for years, really probably at least for the past 3 or 4 years, where they are requesting that taxpayers actually go in. It's an opt-in program at this point. It is voluntary, that you go in and get assigned a 6-digit number by the IRS. That number, that 6-digit number, is known only to you and to your tax preparer, to whomever you give it to, because your tax preparer cannot file the tax return on your behalf without that PIN number. Now, really what they're trying to do is, we've had, unfortunately, just across the US, quite a few cases of somebody stealing your social security number, filing either a false tax return or a tax return. Well, either way, it's a false return, but tax return using your W-2, requesting a bigger refund. The refund goes to the thief, and you are now left arguing with the IRS about, well, I don't have that money. Where did you send it? Where did it go? Who cleared the check? These kinds of things. So the IRS is encouraging clients, taxpayers, to go out and get the IP PIN. Now, the IP PIN is valid every year, so it's only valid for 1 calendar year. So it's going to reset. You would have to obtain a new PIN each year. So it is a little bit of a process, but you absolutely can get a new PIN. So if you're worried about security, and often the IRS assigns you a PIN. So if you've been either an actual victim of fraud, or there was an attempted fraud, like they caught what they thought was a fraud on your return, the IRS will automatically provide you an IP PIN. If you do not give that to your tax CPA when you go to file the return, your return will be rejected, okay? So if you are interested in obtaining an IP PIN, you can fill out form 15227. So once again, that's form 15227. That form is the IRS application for a personal identification number. So an IP identity protection PIN, personal identification number. So let me see if I can get that screen shared for you guys here so that you can see what this form looks like. It's really not all that bad. A lot of basic information here, as you can see. Last name, first name, where did you live, what's your ID number, and of course, where to submit this form. They do come, of course, in English and in Spanish as well. So guys, here at Tax Goddess, we are always trying to make sure that you are secure and safe. You guys know how hard we work to keep our clients' information safe. Background checks and 7216 release forms and all sorts of things to make sure that our clients' information is 100% secure. So I would absolutely recommend that you take a look at getting this identity protection PIN, the IP PIN, from the government if you are interested in bumping your level of security when it comes to your tax return and your refunds. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the team and I. Of course, you can find us at taxgoddess.com. And as you know, we specialize in tax strategy. So if you're looking to reduce your tax bill, reach out. Thanks so much, everyone, and have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.